Okay, guys, so this is the second video, and you guys just watched the time lapse of this being printed. This is the thing. There's one of the motors in it. I'm not going to show putting them in because it's going to take me a little bit because they're very tight. Got to take off the supports, but it fits. And then we'll have 9 of them, and it's going to be put on a watermelon. It's going to be put on a watermelon. It's going to be great. So, the next video will be it was going to be on the watermelon, so it won't be posted till this weekend. So yeah, thank you for watching.